Please watch this video till end because I will not only be talking about Eelhoe rosemary oil, but also regarding rosemary oil in general. Everything that were said in this video are of my own opinion, but also entirely with researches on rosemary oil. I bought this product with my own money. Nobody sponsored me, nor do I sell the product. And I'm ending this chapter by saying everybody responds to certain products differently. Rosemary oil works by improving blood circulation, blocking DHT, and also by supplying your scalp with nutrients, micronutrients, and many other antioxidants such as vitamin C and A. You can read more about this on the website I've provided below in the description. With that being said, the effectiveness comes down to what kind of rosemary oil you're using and the severity of your hair loss, because at certain point you might need more than rosemary oil. The reason why I've decided to try rosemary oil from Eelhoe is because my forehead is naturally big and I wasn't blessed with a good hairline. So I was worried that once male pattern baldness or receding hairline sets in, I would look way older than my actual age. So with combination of a big forehead and bad hairline, even at 25 years old, my hair looks kind of thin, like it's not having enough volume to make it look good no matter what, and or no matter how long my hair was. For the record, I did keep my hair long to the point it covers my ear and nearly touches my shoulder. And trust me, it did not look good. With that being said, I was expecting this Eelhoe rosemary oil to fill in my forehead with more hair and reduce the amount of hair I lost every day and to prevent me from being bald from male pattern baldness or receding hairline. However, if it doesn't, I hope it at least be able to slow its progression long enough till I'm at that age where I no longer care about the amount of hair I have, or at least till I'm rich enough to get hair transplant in Turkey. There's only two ingredients showed at the box. One is rosemary oil itself and the other is coconut oil. Yes, only two things. This is good because you're actually getting more rosemary oil, unlike other product out there. For example, there's a skin lightening product I once used. It claims to have kojic acid, but when it arrived and I take a look at the ingredients list, the kojic acid is at the bottom of the ingredient list, while vitamin B3, aka niacinamide, at the top of the list. While it's true that they did put kojic acid in there, I still consider it as cheating because the manufacturer intended to use vitamin B3 as the main skin lightening factor, even though they advertise it as kojic cream. Anyways, why they put coconut oil in there? Coconut oil serves as a carrier oil to prevent irritation. This is because rosemary oil might be too potent for your scalp to handle. You can read more about this in the website I've included in the description. The texture of rosemary oil from Eelhoe is watery instead of oily. Yeah, it's kind of weird to me too because I was expecting it to be extra greasy or at least greasy, but it's not, and it is a good thing because when I apply it to my scalp, it does absorb within a minute, so you don't have to worry about going to sleep with it being sticky or oily or uh like ruining your like pillowcase. So it is very good and I like it. I like the texture. This depends on how thick the rosemary oil is. The thicker it is, the less you should use it. Why is that? It is because thicker oil tends to trap dirt, clogs pores, and reduce your scalp ability to breathe. However, with rosemary oil from Eelhoe, you can use it every day, and as a matter of fact, the instructions at the box recommend you to use it twice a day. How I use it. Before I answer that question, you should know that I've been using rosemary oil from 26 May 2023 to 5 February 2024. That is 256 days or 8 months and 11 days. Continuing on, I use the first bottle every day, but on the second bottle and forward, I only use it twice a week. That is the day I shampooed my hair. This is because I'm not balding yet, but I did lose a lot of hair every day, so it was kind of scary for me. As I mentioned before, I only use it twice in a week. I find that it does help me in terms of hair loss. The amount of hair I lost every day decreased, and I'm very happy about it. With that being said, it does not give me thicker hair nor fix my hairline. So the peach fuzz, aka vellus or vellus hair on my forehead doesn't turn into an actual hair. With my experience regarding rosemary oil from Eelhoe, I believe that it does have a positive effect for my hair by strengthening and maintaining my hair and scalp health. However, it did not help me gain more hair, which is okay when all things considered. Should you use hair oil every day, especially rosemary oil? The answer is yes. I don't know if this just an Asia thing or it is the same everywhere, but if you ever live with your grandmother like me, whenever she would dress me up after beating me, she would apply some talcum powder on my face and put hair oil on my head. I honestly hated that hair oil because it's so greasy. But growing up and older, I realized that that's the best routine for your hair and scalp health. To be honest, I regret not doing that every day for the past 20 something years. Will I be using hair oil after rosemary oil? Yes. As a matter of fact, by the time I made this video, I've been using ginger oil from Natural Essence since 8 February 2024. And on that note, I'm ending this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share my videos. I'm Result 04-15 signing off. See you guys next time.